Hi, I'm Professor Ceejay. Before we jump into the video, I'm going to introduce you to the handprint alphabet. The handprint alphabet is when we take canvases, like the ones over here, and there, and then we take the paint, and then we'll paint our hands, and then just slap it on them, or in whatever kind of shape. And then, when we make it through all 26, we'll be done. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in each pack. So these are 10. That's another 10. Then we need to use 6 of those, because that's another 10, so that makes 30. And then there's 20 washable paints. Let me just say all the colors. It includes 20 colors. 20 colors are red, bright orange, bright yellow, bright green, teal, dark green, light blue, bright blue, pink, bright pink, peach, bright purple, brown, black, and white. All right, now let's start the time-lapse video. So, after a long time, at the end of the video, this is what it looks like. Mom, show them around. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good, Mom. Thank you, and bye. And always keep your chin up and smile bright. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.